Question 17. Here we have 2 sine squared 2x is equal to 1. We're going to isolate the trig function first and get sine squared of 2x is equal to 1/2. Taking the square root, we're going to get sine of 2x is equal to plus or minus 1 over the square root of 2, which is plus or minus square root of 2 over 2. Now we're going to solve for 2x here. So 2x is equal to pi over 4 or 3 pi over 4 or 5 pi over 4 or 7 pi over 4. Now, in this instance of a multiple angle, we do need to consider the plus 2n pi because of the period. So plus 2n pi, plus 2n pi, plus 2n pi, plus 2n pi. So if we solve each of these equations for x, we get x is equal to pi over 8 plus n pi. N pi. This x here is equal to 3 pi over 8 plus n times pi. Here we have x is equal to 5 pi over 8 plus n pi. And here we have x is equal to 7 pi over 8 plus n pi. Looking at those solutions, again, we're looking for all the solutions between 0 and 2 pi. So taking that last set of equations and plugging in for n equals 0 and n is equal to 1. Looking at those separately. There we go. Okay, so recalling what we had a minute ago, we had x was equal to pi over 8 plus n pi. X is equal to pi over 8, 3 pi over 8 plus n pi. X is equal to 5 pi over 8 and x is equal to 7 pi over 8. In the case of n equaling 0, we're going to get pi over 8, 3 pi over 8, 5 pi over 8, and 7 pi over 8. If n is equal to 1, we're going to get, for example, pi over 8 plus pi, which is 9 pi over 8. We're going to get 3 pi over 8 plus pi, which is 11 pi over 8. We're going to get 5 pi over 8 plus pi, which is 13 pi over 8. And then finally, we're going to get 7 pi over 8 plus pi, which is 15 pi over 8. So we have 6 solutions to this question. If n is 2, we're going to see obviously those values will be greater than 2 pi, so we're not interested in those. So that's that one.